Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus Collector has integrated with Amazon EKS Access Management Controls, allowing the collector to discover and collect Prometheus metrics while utilizing the EKS Access Management Controls to create a managed access policy. This integration enables seamless collection of metrics without requiring manual configuration or setup. With this integration, users can focus on analyzing their application performance and monitoring their cluster's health without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. The availability of Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus Collector with support for EKS Access Management Controls is now available in all regions where Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus is available. This broadens the scope of the service and makes it more accessible to users worldwide. In conclusion, the integration of Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus Collector with Amazon EKS Access Management Controls simplifies the process of collecting and analyzing metrics, making it easier for users to monitor their cluster's performance and optimize their applications. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL now supports Vector, which enables you to store vector embeddings in your database and use retrieval augmented generation when building generative AI applications. With this release of Vector, you can increase the number of dimensions of vectors you can index, reducing index size and making it more efficient. You also get additional support for using CPU SIMD in distance computations, which speeds up calculations. Vector introduces two new vector data types, half-vic for storing dimensions as 2-byte floats, and sparse-vic for storing up to 1000 non-zero dimensions. This means you can store more information about your vectors without taking up too much space. The new release also includes support for indexing binary vectors using the PostgreSQL native bit type, which is perfect for scalar and binary quantization. This allows you to increase the maximum dimensions of vectors you can index 4000 for half-vic and 64,000 for binary vectors. For those working with binary vectors, there are now functions available to calculate both Hamming and Jagged distance. This makes it easier to work with these types of vectors in your database. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL supports Vector on database instances running PostgreSQL 16.3 and higher, 15.7 and higher, 14.12 and higher, 13.15 and higher, and 12.19 and higher in all applicable AWS regions, including the AWS Cloud regions. In conclusion, Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL's support for Vector is a game changer for those building generative AI applications. With its increased efficiency, new data types, and improved distance calculations, you can now store and manipulate vector embeddings with ease. Amazon SageMaker notebooks now support the instance types. This means you can take advantage of up to 8 NVIDIA Tensor Core queues with 24 GB of memory per GPU, along with third generation AMD EPYC processors. These instances offer twice the performance for deep learning inference compared to EGN instances. This is great news if you're working on interactive model deployment and training for tasks like generative AI fine-tuning, natural language processing, language translation, computer vision, and recommender engines. With these powerful notebooks, you can test your models interactively and even train new ones in SageMaker Studio or SageMaker Notebook instances. The instance types are currently available in the AWS US East and US West regions, so get ready to harness their power. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.